What if one smoke alarm could alert your entire home? This is the Sensereo MS-1 Interlink. It upgrades the original MS-1 with a wireless interconnection, allowing multiple alarms to work together. You'll get the MS-1 Interlink alarm, mounting accessories, and everything you will need for your setup. To first set up the MS-1 Interlink, switch the device to on position. After pulling the tag, wait until the device starts blinking green. Open your Apple Home app and scan the QR code to start pairing. MS-1 Interlink is built with Matter over Thread and works with popular smart home platforms including Apple Home, Google Home, and SmartThings. Now, you can easily check your home status from your smartphone. The original MS-1 works as an individual smart smoke alarm. The new MS-1 Interlink adds wireless communication between alarms. When one alarm detects smoke, connected alarms can sound together. Sensereo MS-1 Interlink is now available. Experience smarter home safety with wireless interconnected protection. One alarm, all alarm.